Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
Now today we will start our rest of the part of chapter 1, Who Did Patrick's Homework. When it came to maths, Patrick was out of luck.
Patrick was out of luck.
What are timetables?
What are timetables?
The elf trick.
The elf trick.
We elves
We elves
never need that.
never need that.
And addition and subtraction
And addition and subtraction.
and division and fractions.
And division and fractions.
Here, sit down beside me.
Here sit down beside me.
You simply must guide me.
You simply must guide me.
Elves know nothing of human history.
Elves know nothing of human history.
To them, it's a mystery.
To them it's a mystery.
So the little elf, already a shouter,
Already a shouter
just got louder.
just got louder.
Go to the library.
Go to the library.
I need books.
I need books.
More and more books.
More and more books.
And you can help me
And you can help me
read them too.
read them too.
As a matter of fact,
As a matter of fact,
every day in every way,
every day in every way,
that little elf was a nag.
that little elf was a nag.
Patrick was working harder
Patrick was working harder
than ever and was eater drag.
than ever was a drag.
He was staying up nights,
He was staying up nights
had never felt so weary,
and never felt so weary.
was going to school
Was going to school
with his eyes puffed and bleary.
with his eyes puffed and blurry.
Finally, the last day of school arrived,
Finally, the last day of school arrived,
and the elf was free to go.
and the elf was free to go.
As for homework,
As for homework,
there was no more.
there was no more.
So he quietly
So he quietly
and slyly slipped out
and slyly slipped out
the back door.
the back door.
Patrick got his A's.
Patrick got his A's.
His classmates were amazed.
His classmates were amazed.
His teachers smiled
His teachers smiled
and were full of praise.
and were full of praise.
And his parents,
And his parents,
they wondered
they wondered
what had happened to Patrick.
what had happened to Patrick.
He was now the model kid,
He was now the model kid.
cleaned his room,
Played his room,
did his chores,
did his chores,
was cheerful, never rude.
was cheerful, never rude.
Like he had
Like he had
developed a whole new attitude.
developed a whole new attitude.
You see, in the end,
You see that
Patrick still thought he had made
Patrick still thought he had made
that tiny man do all his homework.
that tiny man do all his homework.
But I will share a secret.
But I'll share a secret.
Just between you and me,
Just between you and me,
it wasn't the elf.
it wasn't the elf.
Patrick had done it himself.
Patrick had done it himself.
Now, student, this is the end of this chapter. The Who Does the Patrick Homework, and this chapter was written by Carol Mori. Thank you for this class.